Another project. We did a quick walk not that long ago, so we're going to do another one real quick. Last time we were here, we did not have a giant trash pile, but now we do because that's just how things happen. We'll get that out of here though. We have several piles that need to be done. The floors are pretty dirty because they just got done texturing. As you can see, everything last time was not taped and floated. This is the house where some of the outlets were cut too big, and you can see there's a bigger patch around that from where they were bringing those in, so we didn't have to do oversized outlets. Let's take a look in the kitchen. See, they've got green rock right there, water resistant drywall. That's good. There's additional plumbing leaks that needed to be patched and taken care of. Got those squared away. All the drywall's all been not only taped and floated, but textured all the way up to the ceiling to make sure that there is no line and you can actually feel like it's all one wall and not a bunch of little pieces of drywall. Check this out here, turn the light on. And you see on this wall, there's a big patch right there around that one, there's a big patch around that one, big patch around that one. They had to come back and patch up quite a few, but it's worth it not to have a bunch of different size outlet covers and not have to buy a bunch of different stuff. So anyway, you can see this green rock over there, and got drywall. Outlets all got paint and texture on them, so they're gonna have to be changed out. That's right. You can see this ceiling needed to be a stomp print to match the rest of the house, so they got that taken care of. Another little trash pile that needs to get cleaned up. No big deal though, it's all swept to the middle. I like this little sitting room off of the master. Master's all done. Take a look in here. Green rock, you can still see the drywalls or texture is still wet in some of the areas. Like I said, it just got done, so. Green rock, closets. Overall, it looks pretty good. Thing to make sure is, to stop in between once in a while and take a look and see that. Right, can you stand off to the side? You see any lines? I don't see any lines. It looks to me like when this gets painted that there won't be any lines. Look at that, perfectly floated. Texture is consistent from top to bottom. Nice splatter with a nice knockdown. That's what that's called. So it all looks really good. Nice and even and consistent. Here's a good wall for you to look at. See that? Nice, even, consistent. And there's the seam right here. This is the seam, and you can't see it. That's how you know good quality drywall work. Anyway, that's it. Real quick. Next step is you're going to put on some trim work, put up the doors, get everything, all the trim painted, then tape all that trim off and get all of the walls and ceilings painted. Start putting in flooring. Won't be much longer until this place will be ready to be inhabited. All right. Well, that was it. Quick walk. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to be blessed. Bless others. ReGuideService.com, ReIGUIDESERVICE.com. The Valhalla Adventures. Find me on all of the social medias. And do well, I guess. I don't know. All right. We'll talk to you later.